Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through simple conversations. In today's episode, you will practice English listening and learn the difference between English on social media and real-life conversations. Before I start, please like and subscribe the channel. Let's get started.
David, I watch a lot of English videos on social media, but when I listen to real people, I don't understand much.
That's a very common problem, Emma.
Why is that? Isn't it the same English?
Not exactly. Social media English and real-life English are different.
Part 1. Social Media English. What is social media English like?
On social media, people often speak slowly, clearly, and sometimes use simple or scripted sentences.
Yes, I understand those videos easily.
That's because they are made for learning or entertainment.
So it's easier than real life.
Exactly.
Part 2. Real life English. What about real life English?
In real life, people speak faster, use slang, and don't always speak clearly.
That's why I get confused.
Yes, and they also connect words.
Part 3. Connected speech. What do you mean by connect words?
For example, want to becomes wanna, going to becomes gonna.
Oh, I hear that a lot.
That's real spoken English.
Part 4. Listening practice tip. So how can I improve my listening?
Start with simple content, then slowly move to real conversations.
Like podcasts?
Yes, and also real interviews or daily conversations.
Part 5. Repeat and shadow. Listen and repeat what you hear.
Even if it's fast,
Start slow, then increase speed. Part 6. Train your ear. Sometimes I hear words, but I don't understand them.
that's normal. Your ear needs training.
How do I train it?
Listen every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's do a quick listening practice. Listen carefully. Hey, what are you doing today? I'm gonna meet a friend later. Want to join us?
I heard, what are you doing today? And meet a friend.
Good. Now let's break it down. What are you doing today? I'm going to meet a friend later. Do you want to join us?
Oh, now I understand everything.
Part 7. Key strategy. Always listen first, then break it into parts.
So don't panic if I don't understand everything.
Exactly. Focus on keywords first.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Listening improves with practice.
I'll start listening every day.
Let's try a real lifestyle conversation. Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. Just a bit busy today.
Yeah? What are you working on?
I'm studying English and practicing listening.
Nice. Keep it up. Final tip. Remember, listen daily, repeat, and don't be afraid of fast English.
Got it. Thanks, David. This really helped me understand listening better.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. Great job. Now you understand the difference between social media English and real-life English. Practice listening every day and improve step by step. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. See you in the next episode.